one of the worst things you can do is to look at your pain as a gauge of your health. So stay tuned to understand more what I'm talking about. Hey, Dr. Shakib here from Irvine Spinal Wellness Center, your Irvine Posture and Chiropractic Clinic. I just had to do this video because it's really mind-boggling how people think when they don't have pain, everything is great. Let me just first remind you that, for example, diabetes is not healthy, but there's no pain associated with it. High blood pressure is not healthy. There's no pain associated with it. There are a lot of things. In fact, even cancer. How many times do you hear people just finding out through checkups that they had cancer? There was no pain. By the time pain comes, a lot of damage is done in those instances. And really, for joint issues, as an example, pain comes as a result of inflammation. So inflammation, there are inflammatory chemicals that circulate in your body, and the areas where, let's say my elbow in this case, is inflamed, those inflammatory chemicals actually give a signal to the brain, hey, send more blood with oxygen, more nutrients to do the repair. As an individual with a pain, I know I have pain, so I don't really go crazy moving it. So no pain, no gain is a BS if that's your mindset, thinking, oh, I can just rough through it. Doesn't work that way. I mean, you could, but it's not a smart thing to do. Focusing on your pain or lack of as a gauge of health is like me telling you, would you like to be happy or just not sad? Health and no pain is like happy versus not sad. Would you like to be alive or not dead? That's the huge difference. So stop thinking of, oh, I don't have pain, but start looking at function. If something works with function versus dysfunction, now we're talking about health. So if there is a path of health, when it comes to pain, you're at the wrong end of this path. Wellness, prevention, and function are the opposite end. So it's a difference between sickness and health on this path. For you to be constantly focusing on pain instead of start looking at dysfunction or function is the matter of difference between tackling a problem for life versus just patching it for now. I had to do this video because I think it's so dang obvious and it makes sense to you, but it's so obvious that we don't even think about it. So I'm encouraging you to start looking for function instead of pain. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for any videos, make sure you contact me on one of the methods of contact in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my website to better understand what it takes, how you can take control of your own health by learning the right things. It's not always in nutrition. It's not always in exercise. There is a combination of things you need to do, and today is better than tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.